All right, morning's normal, ship's still floating, rum's still here, guess we're fine.
Where's the rest of the map? Coconut, did you see it?
Saw it, ate it. Shorter journey now.
You! Time for the bird revolution! Down with the furry tyrant!
Tyrant! I feed you chips 3 times a day.
We demand nuts and equality!
That's it. You're our mascot now.
I'll put this bucket on your head when I'm free.
Captain, you look like trash art.
So, the ship's intact, the mutiny's over.
Kinda. We're a democracy now. Sort of.
And nut rations for